So today Ghana is flooding, and I want us to stream TikTok live right now so that I show you what is happening currently, 29th June 2026, and right now it is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, so right now I'm on TikTok right now. Tema Committee 18, you can see. Please can you check if it matches on the camera very well. Tema Committee 18, flood has happened and it has scattered a business. Is it showing well? This is happening currently as I'm speaking with you. I'm doing this video right now. Let me go inside and you see. People are going into the drainage just to go and take things from the flood. It has scattered businesses. It has scattered shops. It has scattered. You can see yogurt. You can see things, right? Yes. Some people got this a gas cylinder. Some people got fridges. Some people got this thing. A warehouse that was torn down. Is it showing very well? Aha.
No, Mom, I don't get you.
Zoom in a little bit. And right now he's showing his face. So this happened. This happened at Tema Committee 18. Did you say Committee 18? Tema. See. You can see. Is it showing the things? From there, I want us to go and join another live also. So we are streaming. Let us stream and you see some more flooding somewhere else. So right now we are at another location now. Cars are not moving at all. Oh. Where is this? This is Alajo. Yes. Alajo around GCB. I got the news that about 2 people lost their lives due to the flood at Alajo. I haven't confirmed the news myself. But I heard that 2 people have lost their lives due to the flooding at Alajo. Alajo is in the central part of Greater Accra. Is it showing very clear? At Chimota too, I heard that the flooding there has caused a lot of things. It has taken a full car, a bus away. I made another video that I'm yet to post here. But this one is just as an appetizer.
Yeah.
And today, 29th June, NADMO, the NADMO authority or whatever they call them, they have advised that everybody should stay at home. It doesn't matter any work you are doing, you have to stay at home.
Let's move to Malam and see what the current situation is. Okay. Right. So now we'll do a short quick with us. Where are we now? So we're currently at Circle. Odona area.
They are Circle, Odona.
Adam's situation is on control. We have to just quickly pump and as it stands now, I think we are much safer and better.
Member of Parliament.
Malam. So what was the situation at Malam? The same.
This is a NADMO official.
It has also subsided a little bit. They say, we need to move to Malam. Okay. Because what's the current situation at Malam?
They want to move to Malam area. Malam is on the way going to Accra.
Yeah, we were able to take it off in the pocket. We cleared the room. Okay. Okay. So what's your quick advice to the general public? I'm just pleading with everyone. Says, who drive it? I will be a bridge. Now, say, so no, too much. I bet try some better. Try true because that is what is currently happening. Most of the incidents are people who say slow down, but they thought so much in their presence. For as many that can stay home, just stay home. Even this for just today, as many that can stay home, Let us just stay home and pray that the situation will be handled. Okay.
So this is happening
So
live.
that's
Live.
the Deputy Director General in charge of operations for that Honorable Teddy Nana Asafo Aji. And one my advice is here.
So this is
Stay home
Deputy
if possible.
Director General.
Not if possible, stay home.
If you are home, you have to stay home. But if your home is flooded, how do you stay in that home? Some people are driving and they think that their cars can
flooding situation in Accra is becoming serious. So you see, the Nadmo team is moving all the way to Malam Junction.
Let us move to another live. This is another live also. Another live video. Which place is this? Which place is this? But these people sound like they are French people. I think that's some part of Togo or what? Which part is this? See. Now these people are French. So that means that some part of Togo is also affected. Let us keep going. See what I'm seeing right now. This is also another live video. This is Adabraka. Accra, Adabraka. You can see it clearly. The homes are all sunk. The cars are all choked. They can't move. The cars are also wet. Inside is wet. This is happening live as I'm doing the video right now. You can see this is Accra Adabraka. See how the lady is showing the thing. Zia World. Thank you for showing us this video.
Chrissy, thank you guys. Let's share. Let's also.
Guys, you can see all this.
Let's share.
Adabraka is from in Accra Central itself, between Circle and Kantamanto areas. Let us see another live here. We have another live here. This is happening currently. Which location is this? Let's keep watching. Probably we might see. There's also fire outbreak. If you can look, there's smoke. There's smoke over there.
No, put up and follow me.
I knew that there was smoke somewhere around the circle area. They said that circle area. There was fire outbreak. There was flooding and fire outbreak at the same time. It's crazy. Guys, let's move to another location. This pretty lady, show us what is happening. Let us see.
Please, here is Wager Dam.
This is Wager Dam.
Back again, okay. I have to realize I'm on the bridge now. Wager Dam, yes. You be back home. So we are here to create awareness. If you are winter and then important man, make sure so before you leave the house. So no, then you see at your boom now, so no basso. A bit to me about fee. So what is
right now?
It's a before. When you know you wage up for, when you know yes, when it was logo Sakana. The whole house, how say the same.
No, I've showed you Circle. I've showed you Alago. I've showed you.
But when you.
Adabraka. Now I'm showing you what Malam. I showed you.
What did you say?
And Wager.
Maria, yeah. What did you say now? Say I won't mind you. What were you saying?
Let us keep showing.
Your AC connection to is here.
Let's see. This is also another location, ladies and gentlemen. This is also another location. You can see the place is entirely flooded. Which place is this?
Yeah, man, the whole place flood up right now, you know.
The place is
situation in a Kaswa, Papa, you know.
Kaswa. This is Kaswa, ladies and gentlemen. Live, TikTok live that I just joined. This is Kaswa.
Yeah, man, that's the location, them, Papa.
Rastaman is doing the video. Yeah, man.
I see the government, them not do nothing for it, you know.
Yeah, the government, they're not doing nothing for me, you know. The place is choked, flooded. People can't move. I see people standing on the road. So Kaswa is also flooded. I've showed you about 6 or 7 different locations right now. Kaswa is also flooded.
Yeah.
This is what is happening in Ghana currently as I'm speaking with you. Live, 29th June 2020.
I see the pretty girl living in the yard, you know. That's what we're there right now, you know. One place flood up and the whole place flood up.
Let us keep going.
Right, fighting over it.
Achimota Abofu. Live video. Achimota Abofu.
Our habits are like what's also contributing towards these things. Because Adena and initially not from 5 now. We saw people pouring refuse into it. Adena I am mana in zoning a baby come. Na nipa because I'm fun.
This guy is talking about some of our bad habits. Whenever there's flood like this, people are pouring refuse into the flood. They are pouring baller inside. So that is another thing that is causing this. This is Achimota Abofu.
And me from Senko, Munina, some random so Mutimana, also so and I said, Boy, so we're coming to secure.
So Achimota Mile 7 is also the same way.
And you also die. You see, I cover a hangina, this is car, you know, too, and I echo. It's yet that you're by a car, and you team one cow.
According to him, the flood has taken 2 big cars, buses, STC cars. They have all the flood has taken it.
It's new and I
So this is at Achimota. Let us keep going. See, those that are going through the flood, see, they are singing and rapping and enjoying themselves. You can see all this, right? This is live. Washing machine is flooded. It's gone. Which location is this? This guy should answer. We are asking location. They are not answering. This is in Ghana. Oh, let's keep going. This is also another location.
My hometown.
This is somewhere in Circle. Look at the thing like a river. Come please sit here and watch the thing for me. My phone is about to die, so I will definitely going to end the video right now. Yes, I don't think this video will edit it. It's just a live video we have made. So this is also another location. You can see this, right? I'm a good player. You can see all this.
Sugar. Life here. corner. Okay, Joama, I'll quit.
Guys, this is also another location. This is Bawe. Take a look at it. This is also Bawe.
Right here. We hope that
this is also another location, Bawe. This is happening live, currently in the greater Accra region of Ghana. Bawe.
Very bad. Very, very bad.
This place is no joke. Trees are fallen. Cars have stopped moving. Cars are even flooded. Look at this car. Shops are taken away. Those who are being postponed.
Hey, Baba, who coin? Yo! Hey, why you come here?
Ball a rubber and you are separate.
Look at here too.
Cute baby.
Please. Hey, look at this. The plenty people.
Into the chairman say, where we been with their woman. Oh, that you might do her. One cutting so 20 with the
please. You can see what we are seeing. This is happening live currently in the greater Accra region of Ghana. And this is live coverage. We are not editing the video. We are placing the video online as it is. You got that right? Aha. So if this is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel. We'll show you what is happening in Ghana just for educational purpose only and nothing more. Yeah, if you want to buy a land in Ghana, you want to buy a house in Ghana, at places that there are no flood, you can actually check in the description of this video. You will find our customer service number, and you reach us. Thank you very much. Bye. Can I end the video? Let's post it.